Let us start exercise 3.1. First question. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on a study table to another person? So you have to describe to another person. How can you find your table lamp on your table? I am giving one example. Okay, suppose this is a table. Okay, and this is the seating position. Okay, so from here, from the seating position, I am drawing the point here. Okay, so from the seating position, suppose this is 2 feet, 2 feet distance, and from that edge, the distance is 1 feet edge, for 1 feet distance. So for this case, this is the seating position. So from the seating side, the point is how much distance. This is 2 feet distance from this side, and on the right side edge, this is the right side edge, how much distance? 1 feet from the right side edge. So this point we can represent like this. So we can write the position of lamp as 2 comma 1. Okay, so from the seating side, the distance is 2 feet, and from the right side edge, the distance is 1 feet. So we can represent this point 2 comma 1. So you should draw this figure. You have to represent this by words, and also after that you have to write it in the point. Okay, I will read the answer one more time. The table lamp is 2 feet from the seating side of the desk and 1 feet from the right side edge. So we can write the position of lamp as 2 comma 1. Okay, next case number 2. So case number 2, a city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. So I am trying to draw the situation. A city has two main. Okay, so I am drawing two main roads, and both are crossing each other at the center of the city. So I am marking the center. This is the center. C. Okay, and this is one road and the another one is this. So again reading the question, a city has two main roads, so we draw that roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north south direction and east west direction. So which is east west? This is east, so opposite west. Next, this is north, this is south. So I am representing all the roads east, west and north, south direction which we got from the question. Here it is mentioned. Okay, these two roads are along the north, south direction and east, west direction. Okay. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. So, in this direction, east-west direction, there are 5 streets, and north-south direction, there are 5 streets. And each street is differ from 200 meter apart, which is given in the question. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meter apart. There are 5 streets in each direction using 1 centimeter. So we can use, if you are using graph, you can use 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads or streets by single lines. Okay, so already we draw the road. These two are roads. Okay, so in this direction there are 5 streets, and also in this direction there are 5 streets. Okay, so I am drawing this direction. First I am drawing first 5 lines. First line I am drawing 1, 2, 3. 3 street I am drawing here, and remaining two streets I am drawing here. Okay, you can draw at any way. First one, next second one, next third one. This is a rough figure you should draw by using scale and pencil. And fourth one, fifth one. Okay, next I am drawing from here. First one, first road, second road, third road, fourth and fifth. Or we can draw. I am drawing from here. First road, this. First road, second road, third, fourth, at last fifth. Now we got all the roads. 5 roads parallel to east-west direction and 5 roads which are parallel to south-north direction. Okay, so in this section it is given that we have to represent roads or streets by single lines. Okay, there are many cross streets in your model. This is given one example how to plot the point. Okay, a particular cross street is made by two streets. So suppose if we want to plot this point, this is the center. If you want to plot this point, how can you? I am drawing the line numbers. This is first street, second, third, fourth, fifth. Starting from here again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So if you want to represent in a street a particular point, suppose this point if you want to represent. Okay, how can you represent this point? This point comes here, which is the first one. In this question it is given that one running in the north-south direction and the another line is in east-west direction, crossing point. Okay, each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth street in the east-west direction, then we can represent it as 2.5. So first you have to check which is north south. So in this point which is north south direction, this line, correct? So that line is 3. Okay, next is east west direction, this line, this is fourth line. So this is 4. So you can represent this point 3 comma 4. If you want to represent 4 comma 3, how can you represent 4 comma 3? That 4 should comes this line, this direction, north south direction. So this is the fourth line. Okay, and 3 should come in the east west direction. 1, 2, 3. So this is the fourth one. So this point we can represent it as 4 comma 3. So I am plotting these 2 points because in these 2 sections it is asking about 4 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. This is the actual question. How many cross streets can be represented to as 4 comma 3? How many cross streets can be referred to as 3 comma 4? So 4 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. Now we got both are different points. So only one point we can plot in 3 comma 4 and only one point we can plot on 4 comma 3. We cannot draw any other point at the same point. Okay, we cannot draw any other line or any other point at the same point. That is the actual question. 3 comma 4 is a different line, different point, and 4 comma 3 is a different point. These 2 points were not meet each other at any time. Okay, so only one, the answer, each actual answer is, how can we represent 3 comma 4? First we have to take south north direction, then 3, 1, 2, 3, that 3 comes first. Next east west direction, which is given in the question. In this way we have to take the direction point. Okay, next we have to take east west direction. So fourth point we need, I am marking the number from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 3 comma 4 here. Like the same way we can mark 4 comma 3. But these 2 distinct points, these 2 points are distinct points, it will not meet each other. Okay, only one cross street can be represented to as 4 comma 3, a different cross. This is another cross street, it is not same. can be referred to as 3, 4. There is only one such cross street. Okay, thank you.